As the wedding season has begun and we have to attend a lot of wedding parties, so today's look is all about the festive party makeup that you can do it at home. To prepare my skin, I first start with applying a face mask on my skin and I keep it for 10 minutes. After applying face mask on my face for 10 minutes, now I'll gently massage it. Now I will begin moisturizing my face. Now I will add illuminator on my face for the perfect shine and for the perfect dewy look for the night. Now I'll take a flat synthetic brush and apply concealer on my under eye, my chin area and on my open pores. Now I'll take a small beauty blender and start blending my concealer on my respective areas. Now I'll put foundation on my mixing plate. I'll take a flat application brush and apply my foundation on my face. Now I'll take a beauty blender and start blending my foundation in a dabbing manner. Now I'll take a lighter shade concealer and highlight my under eye, my forehead, my nose, my chin and my upper lips. Now I'll take the cheek tint and apply it on my cheek area for the perfect blushy look. I'll take banana powder and set my under eye. I'll take a powder puff and gradually put my translucent powder all over my face to cover up my foundation. I'll take an angular brush and gradually start building up my eyebrows. First I start with my bottom line and then I gradually start smudging it with my top line. Now I'll take a flat, small, tiny synthetic brush and take a lighter shade concealer to contour my eyebrows to give a perfect defined brow look. I'll start blending my concealer with a tiny beauty blender for the perfect blending look. I'll take a small size blending brush for my eye and start with my transition color, which is a salmon pink color. I'll start blending it from the outside in a rotation manner towards my socket of my eyes. I'll take a chocolate brown color and start blending with above my socket line just with the pink color. Now I'll apply darker brown with a flat brush on my outer area and take my transition color, the lighter brown color, and start blending it out towards my outer side of the eye. Now I'll take copper shade and apply it on my inner corner and the lid of the eye. After this I'll apply a glitter glue for the application of my glitter. Now I'll apply the glitter with using my finger in a dabbing motion. Now I'll take a pink eyeshadow and just apply it on my under eye in precise manner for the detail of my under eye. I'll apply the golden glitter liner on my inner corner of the lid area. And finally, it's time to contour your face, the favorite part of my makeup. So first I'll start contouring from my cheek area, then my jawline and gradually on my nose. Blush it up your face because the smile says it all. So I have applied a perfect pink dewy blusher for my face. And I can never step out without a highlight. So now I'm highlighting my top of the cheekbone area and my nose area. Now it's time to apply mink lashes because lashes can never go wrong for a right wedding season. Now I'm applying mascara for my perfect lashes. Now I'm applying nude shade brown lipstick on my lips. After this, I'll apply a brighter color just on my center of the lips. It's time for the gloss because gloss says it all. Finally, it's time to fix your face with the makeup fixer.